In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an HTML table of related records in Salesforce Flow. First, sign into your Salesforce org. From the main app, open Setup, then switch to the Advanced Setup experience so you're in the Lightning Setup home. In the Quick Find box, type Flows, open the Flows page, and create a new flow. Choose Screen Flow. A screen flow lets you build guided, interactive experiences that can also prepare content, like an HTML table, for use on a screen, in an email, or elsewhere. On the canvas, add your first element and pick Get Records. Get Records fetches data from Salesforce so the flow can work with it. Give the element a clear label. Salesforce will autofill the API name for you. Set the object to Contact. For the filter, choose the Account ID field so we're pulling the contacts related to a specific account. For the comparison value, choose the variable option so the filter can be dynamic. In many setups, this is a true style or contextual variable that represents what you want to match at runtime. Most importantly, in how many records to store, select All Records. This captures a full collection of contacts, which is essential for building a multi-row HTML table. Open the toolbox and create a new resource. Select Variable as the resource type. A variable is a container that stores values during the flow run. Enter an API name, then set the data type to text. This will hold our HTML markup as we build it up. Click Done to save the variable. Add another element and select Assignment. The assignment element updates variables. Give it a descriptive label so it's easy to recognize later. The API name again fills in automatically. Choose your HTML table variable on the left side. For the value, choose the same HTML table variable to prepare for concatenation. In practice, you'll use the add or concatenation operator to append HTML fragments, like opening table tags, header rows, and later the rows for each related contact. Using a text variable this way helps you assemble a clean, reusable HTML string step by step. Save your flow. Provide a clear flow label so others know what it does, and confirm the API name that Salesforce generates. Save again to commit your changes. To recap, you logged in, opened Setup, created a screen flow, used Get Records to pull all related contacts by account ID, created a text variable to store the HTML, and used an assignment to start building the table content. With this foundation, you can continue by appending headers and looping through your contact collection to add rows, then surface the result on a screen or send it in an email. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.